Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. On behalf of Bangkok Airways, HS Boutique Airline, welcome you aboard flight PG 207 and ATR 22 Series 600 service to Lampang Airport. And right now we are maintaining altitude 18,000 feet above sea level with ground speed about 450 kilometers per hour. And expect land at Lampang Airport at time 10 minutes to 6 p.m. 10 minutes to 6 p.m. which is 10 minutes before schedule time. And the weather along the route from now on expect to be sky clear along the route. And for your safety with the chance of light turbulence, please fasten seatbelt at all times for your seat. And the weather at the airport expect to be fluid with ground temperature around 34 degrees Celsius. And please sit back, relax, and enjoy our flight service. Thank you for flying with Bangkok Airways, HS Boutique Airline. Have a nice day. สวัสดีครับ